Welcome to this tutorial. Here I will show you how you can delete a Facebook account, Facebook page, or Facebook profile. In case you have multiple accounts, you want to delete them. First of all, make sure you log into that particular account you want to delete. Then click on the profile. Then you're going to click on that place you have your image. Then click on setting and privacy. Then click on setting. Then at this right hand corner, click on see more. Then here click on personal details. These are the accounts that this guy wanna delete. So click on personal details. Then accounts ownership and control. I will have a problem here. I say the content is not available at the moment. So we'll go back again. So we'll click here. We'll try it again as the other one is not working. So first sign into the account you want to delete. Click on see more in account center. Then click on personal details. Then click account ownership and control. Then it say memorize or deletion. I select deletion. Then this is the one I want to delete. I'll select it. Say deactivate profile or delete profile. I want to delete profile. Then click continue. Then leave this the way it is. And click continue. Unless you have any other information you want to give them. It's a permanent deletion of account. Click on continue again. Now you have to sign in your main account password before you delete. Confirm permanent additional Facebook profile deletion. Confirm permanent additional Facebook profile deletion. Delete profile. It says it's going to stay 30 days in case you change your mind. So I've succeeded in deleting this profile. Let's go back and delete another one again. So that one is gone. So delete another one again. I'm going to delete this. I'll first of all log in to the account. Then click on the accounts. Go to setting and privacy and click setting. Click on see more in account center. Then click on personal details, account ownership and control. Then deletion or deactivation or deletion. Deactivation or deletion. Click on deactivation or deletion. Then choose that account you want to delete. And this particular one. Then delete profile. That's what we'll select. Click on continue. Then leave this the way it is, unless you have another thing to tell them. Then scroll down to the last one, click on continue. Then log into your main account. then delete profile. Click on delete profile. So this one has been deleted. So we'll return back. We still want to delete another one. Click on see all profile. So let's delete this one. You switch to the account. First of all, you have to log in before you delete. Then click on account. Select setting and privacy. Select setting. Then see more in account center. Then personal details. Account ownership and control. Then deactivate or deletion. Then select that one you want to delete, this particular one. Delete profile. Select delete profile. And then select continue. We'll leave this the way it is and continue. Then go down and click on continue. Then enter the password and click on continue. Click delete profile. Now press delete profile. So we're done, and you wait for 30 days. Please subscribe that channel, like and share with others, because I know this particular tutorial is going to help other people like you, almost everybody that use Facebook. So in case one of your accounts is hacked and you want to delete it, it's the same way you can go about it. After doing that, you have to wait for 30 days to check if the account is gone. But if you change your mind before the 30 days, you can go back through the process and then reactivate your account. That's how it's done. Thank you, and remember this.